Today's the day, Willie. If anyone knows that reference from Song Princess, you're awesome. So hello, good morning. My name is Adriel, or Addie, and today is a very important day for me. It is December 5th, 2020, and it's a year. I wish. I am a month on testosterone, so I've been doing this pump testosterone gel. I don't know if you can see. Oh, I'm already like kind of low. Might need a refill. Hey. So it's been going pretty good. I just want to take a moment and to document the changes that I've seen. I know my voice did not drop. I think I'm getting the flu or the cold. I have a little running nose and I don't know, maybe allergies. Like my nose is all stuffed. So I've been sneezing a lot and blowing my nose a lot. Hopefully it's not COVID. We'll get tested. I know, crazy, right? But my voice does sound pretty cool, so we'll just say, yeah, sure, it dropped, you know? Within a month. And changes, like no actual like hair have I noticed, facial hair. My mustache, like I actually had it, I've had it before I started testosterone, so that's on me. It might have, you know, grown a little bigger or thicker, I don't know. Pimples though, that's what I've been getting. I mean, I usually get some like up here, which is odd, sometimes on my nose or down here. So I don't know if it's just the diet or the testosterone. So I'll probably continue doing my face masks. No, I mean the major change that I've noticed, and disclaimer, I'm gonna be talking about. So if you're not comfortable or you're just like, oh, you know, I don't want to hear about it. But you know, it is changes, so that's part of changes. But I'm trying to be real too. Anyway, my my clitoris has begun. It's getting a little bigger. I don't really know the female anatomy much good, but obviously when I read all the rules, it was like, don't take testosterone if you're a woman, and if you notice clitoris growth, like consult your doctor, and I was just like, I want that. So not that like it's huge, but I mean, I just like sometimes, you know, I'm showering, whatever, I'm like, ooh. And not that I can see it, but I can just feel it. Not that I'm like, anyway, but you know, maybe when I wipe or whatnot. So that's cool, you know, that's my little pickle is glowing. So I just wanted to say that. Whew, got that out. Next, hair, nothing much. I mean, my leg hair, this is part of my leg hair. Pretty, might have got a little thicker, I don't know, or more, maybe, I don't know. But I wanted to show you how I put on my testosterone every single day. So without further ado, and no more changes to report, disclaimer, I'll be taking off my shirt. Oh, armpit hair too, that's all me. That's all me. I mean, I've been working out. I don't know if tea might, you know, might have helped the bod, but I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, I mean, nothing big, you know, but testosterone might have helped, you know. I mean, I work out and try to do like a couple push-ups a day, so whatnot. Once again, I don't know if testosterone helped. So technically you're supposed to shower, then put on this testosterone gel. And it's not like lotion, it's actually like, it's like alcohol. So yeah, you're putting the alcohol. So what I do, I mean, I showered yesterday and it's kind of cold and I have, you know, cold. So I'm not trying to shower and I can't do a video of me showering while I'm putting, you know. Oh wait, well, after I showered. Anyway, so I just try to get like warm water. Oh man. Oh, 30's getting warmed up. So I get a towel and then I like soak it in warm water, and then I apply it on my skin so my pores can get open. So that way my pores can absorb the gel way more effective, and it can just go boom right to my bloodstream. So usually I don't do this part because I'm like, you know, people don't, they just want to see the action. But this is a recommendation that I got from my trans group because I was like, hey, do I have to shower every single day? Like, cause you know, I don't know about that. And some people were like, well, you don't have to shower every day, but you can like not moisturize, but like apply water, warm water there so your pores can get open. Because if you just put it on the skin, yeah, it's gonna, you know, your skin might still absorb it, of course. Our skin is our, I believe, most absorbing organism, if I'm not mistaken. But, you know, I want all this effect. This was $600. So, for a month, I want every drop. And on my first applying the testosterone, I actually spilled some on my couch, and I was just like, oh, my couch, my poor couch. Sometimes when I like rub too much, my skin gets a little red, and then with alcohol it doesn't really help, kind of just itches. And also this thing dries up your skin too. So that's, I'm probably gonna do this for like maybe obviously next month, and I'm scheduled to see my doctor in January for our 3-month checkup. So I'm probably gonna switch over to needles just because it's way more faster. I'm scared of needles though, but I feel it might be more like effective, like one shot, let's go, you know, instead of rub, you know. But consistency, so you know, daily consistency. So then area has to be clean. Pretty sure, you know. Then I used to just pour it in my hand, but it dries out my hands a lot. Once again, this might be because of the cold season or just because it's alcohol. And now I just do this. So as you see, it's like a clear alcohol, and I just get like 2 fingers, and I just rub it all up. And this is gonna take some time. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm doing this right because like I think you're just like supposed to like apply it. I don't know about rubbing, but like I'm trying to like rub it, blend it, you know, have it disappear. Ooh, it's like 2 drops of water right there. But yeah, you can also apply it on your abdominal area. It's totally up to you. Like I kind of like get scared to apply it here because I feel like hair is gonna grow on my arms. And I don't want that. I mean, even though it's like a male trait, you know, it's inedible. I mean, but some people don't have it, you know. Some people shave all this area and they're looking good. So I'm gonna be one of those guys. One thing I'm gonna miss about my female body is definitely my hairless, soft skin, you know. But it is what it is. Baby's gotta do what a baby's gotta do. So that's about it. I mean, you know, no biggie. When it dries up, it's like usually like a little white spot, so you'll see the dry. So I don't love doing this every morning, but it is what it is. Like when I put the towel, I can see my little teeny tiny little like, goosebumps. So my pores are like. So I'll definitely consider switching over to needles. Reason why I did this, just because it's, you know, it's, I don't know how effective it is, but it's just something that I can do painless and, you know, but it's a lot of consistency. It's every single day, usually around the same time every morning. After a shower. That's when I'm opening up my pores. So it's a little more like, rather than a needle, you just put alcohol and then boop. But as a man, I am scared of needles. I mean, I'm not scared, I'm like, oh, I don't like them, you know? Hate taking out blood, too. That sucks. So I have, like, 2 little pimples on my back. Where I apply, I don't know if you guys can see, but where I apply the gel, and I'm just like, ugh. me sneeze again. It's coming. Oh. I told y'all. It came. I don't know if you guys can see, but it just looks like glue. Ooh, see, there's the itchiness. Ah. So the area has to be dry. Do that too. Just kidding, that's just me. So here we go. Whoop. And that's it, folks, and that's how you apply your testosterone gel 1.62%. But yeah, mainly did this video, you know, just to obviously see the changes, and in case anyone, you know, learns from this. I've seen a lot of videos, you know, of people with their changes in testosterone taking, and people taking testosterone. So yeah, it's really fun to see. And I'm also doing like a year video montage type of thing, so that's gonna be fun. Yeah, so woohoo, 1 month on T. Yay! And new year, new me. That's gonna be fun. So yay! But I'll spare you guys the rubbing, and thank you so much for seeing the video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Comment, I liked it. No, I was kidding. Give it a thumbs up, I don't know, share it, whatever. Yeah, thank you so much. Once again, future me, this is me, my auntie. I wish I was more ripped.